@NCERT Video Book welcomes you. Today we are going to read Chapter 7 Rani's Gift. Let's start Chapter 7 Rani's Gift. Let us read. Once upon a time, Raja Jagdeep wanted to make a beautiful carved bed for his queen. He called his best carpenter from the town. I want a bed which is 10 handspans long. Carpenter says, Okay, Maharaj. The carpenter started making the bed. Rani says, I am unable to fit in. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that up to 8. It is only 8 handspans. But how is it possible? Carpenter's son says. 1, 2, 3, 4, like that up to 14. After counting, Carpenter's son says it is 14 handspans. Everyone, including the Raja, was confused. Then Mantri enters and says, I have a solution for this. Discuss the solution which was given by Mantri to solve the confusion. As per the carpenter, it is 10 handspan. The bed is 10 handspan. As per the son, it is 14 handspan. But as per the king, it is 8 handspan. Now the mantri enters with a stick, a fixed rigid stick. Actually, handspans differ for different people. So a hard object whose dimension remains fixed always should be used to measure the length and or other things such as a wooden stick or a meter scale. So the solution to this problem is to use, instead of hand span, to use a fixed rigid object such as wooden stick. Let us do. Use your textbook to measure the length of the following objects. Objects, estimated length, actual length, desk, blackboard, window. Let us do. Kavita is going to the school from her home. She is getting late. Which path should she use to reach the school fast? Mark it with the picture given below. If Kavita assumes the first path like this, then you have to measure the length. You can use thread and put the thread along this blue line, and then take another thread and put another thread along this red line. Okay, put a thread along this red line and make Kavita reach the school. Then you have to take another thread and put that thread along this green line and measure the different length of all three threads, that is along blue line, red line and green line. You will get that red line, that is the path used using red lines, is the shortest as the thread is shortest. Let us do. Choose the longest path from A to B. Again, you can use thread and put the thread as per the path along the red line. You will get the longest thread in the third picture. Also make the shortest path between A and B. You have to make shortest path between A and B. This one is the shortest. Okay, this one is shortest path. This is longest path. Encourage children to verify their choice of path using a thread. Ask them to help each other in measuring the length. Was the note to the teacher. How many blocks? Here a heading is given. How many blocks? You can see two children are playing with toys and blocks. Girl says, let me stack the blocks and find the height of my toys. Fill in the blanks. A giraffe is dash blocks tall. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. A giraffe is 9 blocks tall. B. The dash is 7 blocks tall. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The camel is 7 blocks tall. C. The monkey is dash blocks tall. 1 and 2. Monkey is 2 blocks tall. Similarly, D. The dash is 5 blocks tall. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And you can see elephant is 5 blocks tall. So, elephant is 5 blocks tall. Let us do. How long is your hand? Trace your hand in the space given below and count the number of lines. You have to draw your hand like this by tracing your fingers. Okay. You have to draw your hand by tracing your fingers and then measure the length from here to here. Okay. Project work. Find the length of the following using any tool of your choice: eraser, blocks, pencil. Record your measurement. Any wall of your house, length of your bed, length of a door. Using eraser, blocks, or pencil or any other tool of your choice, measure the length of any wall, your bed, your door, or a door. Pumpkin's chopal. Look at the picture and compare which vegetables are lighter or heavier than other vegetable. For example, I tell you I am the most lightest. This green chili says, okay, I am heavier than bottle gourd. This pumpkin says, I am heavier than bottle gourd. I am heavier than a carrot. This bottle gourd says, I am heavier than a carrot. I am lighter than cauliflower. This capsicum, okay, this capsicum says, I am lighter than cauliflower. I am dash than pumpkin. The watermelon says, I am. For watermelon, you may take watermelon as lighter one, because this is the heading is this is pumpkin's chopal. Then pumpkin is should be the heaviest one. What do you think is heavier, pumpkin or a watermelon? Discuss. I have written watermelon is lighter than pumpkin. I am lighter than pumpkin. That means pumpkin is heaviest or heavier. Heavier than, okay, watermelon. Fill in the blanks. A. Muskmelon is heavier than a carrot. B. Capsicum is lighter. Then you have to see the picture carefully and you can write capsicum is lighter than cauliflower. Similarly, dash is heavier than dash. Pumpkin is heavier than watermelon. Bottle gourd is lighter than pumpkin. E. Pumpkin is heaviest of all. F. Chili is lightest of all. Let us do collect a few things from your surroundings. Sort out the lightest and the heaviest among those. Arrange all the things in the increasing order of their weight. How do you know which is light and which is heavy? The more effort required to lift the heavier object. So you can easily identify the light and heavy objects. Make your own balance as shown in figure. Make your own balance with the help of paper cup, thread and hanger like the one which shown here. Now compare any two objects like eraser, ball, bead, pencil, crayon, etc. to see which one is heavier. You can use paper cup, thread, a hanger and pencil to make a balance like this. You can put things one by one in each of these paper cup to measure which is heavier and which is lighter. Let us do circle the heaviest one, a pencil, book and bag. Bag is heavier, so you can circle it. Similarly, orange, a bucket, okay, a bucket and crayon. Then a bucket is heavier, you can circle it. Circle the lightest one, a doll, gift, eraser. Then eraser is lightest one, B, ball, matchbox and a balloon. Then balloon is lighter one. Let us think, tick the vegetables and fruits which will make the balance go down. Mark light L and heavy H. For example, A pumpkin and potato, then H should be written here and you have to make you have to tick the vegetable which will make the balance go down. For example, pomegranate and watermelon, then this will make the balance go down. So you can write H for heavy below watermelon and L for light below pomegranate. Similarly, C, coconut and mango. Coconut will make things go down, balance go down. So you can write it H for coconut it as it is heavy and L for light for mango. D apple and ladyfinger. Okay. Then apple is heavier, so H and put trig sign here and L for lighter or light for ladyfinger. Let us do take two paper bags of same size, fill one with sand and the other with dry leaves. Discuss their weights. Which bag is heavier? The bag with sand will be heavier as it requires more effort. Look at the picture and discuss the different types of balance used by in the picture given below. Tick the type of balance that you have seen before. Spring balance. This is grocer's balance. This is digital balance. This is normal balance. Okay, or you may say beam balance. Once again, this is spring balance. This is grocer's balance. This is digital balance. This is beam balance. Okay. Fruits in the park. You can see watermelon and mangoes here. Watermelon and mango want to play on the seesaw. Watermelon sits on one side, but he could not get up. His friend Mango called other mangoes to sit on the other side. A. How many mangoes will balance the watermelon? Find out from the picture given above. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 mangoes are balancing a watermelon. So the answer is 6. B. How many coconuts can balance watermelon? If weight of one coconut is equal to weight of 2 mangoes, then 2 mangoes will replace one watermelon, 2 for another, and another 2 for another watermelon. Sorry, another coconut. One for 2 mangoes for one coconut, 2 mangoes for another coconut, and the left 2 mangoes for another coconut. That means 3 coconut will balance one watermelon. The answer is 3. 3 coconut will balance one watermelon. Project work. Name some of your family members or friends who you think weigh A. Almost the same as you, B. More than you, C. Less than you. Find out the place where you can check your weight. What is your weight? You can check your weight at hospitals, at school, or at some shops and or at railway stations, outside railway station. Encourage students to estimate the weight of different objects around them in relation to their to other objects. This is a note to the teacher. Let us make Nibu Pani. Raghu and his friends made Nibu Pani for Raghu's grandmother. He used the following things to prepare 1 glass of Nibu Pani. A. Water 1 glass. B. Sugar 1 spoon. C. Lemon juice 2 spoons. D. A pinch of salt. Now Raghu wants to make Nibu Pani for himself and his friends. Raghu has to make 3 glasses of Nibu Pani. Write the quantity of ingredients he has to use to make 3 glasses of Nibu Pani. Water. For 3 glasses, they need 3 glasses of water, as 1 glass Nibu Pani requires 1 glass of water. Similarly, 1 glass of Nibu Pani requires 1 spoon of sugar. So 3 glasses will require 3 spoons lemon juice. 1 glass requires 2 spoons lemon juice. Then 3 glasses will require 6 spoons of lemon juice. Similarly, 1 glass requires a pinch of salt. So 3 glasses of lemon juice require 3 pinches of salt. Find out. Name some drinks that are prepared at your home. Find out the ingredients used for making your favorite drink and write them below. Name your favorite drink. You can name your favorite drink and the ingredients used and the quantities here. Find out. Raghu's bottle is filled with 4 glasses of water. A. How many glasses of water can fill your bottle? You have to find out by putting water using glasses in your bottle. B. How many glasses of water can fill your friend's bottle? You have to do and find out. C. Does your friend's bottle fill with equal, more or less amount of water? Name the friend whose bottle can carry a equal water as your friend. Name the friend whose bottle can carry a equal water as yours. B. Less water than yours. C. More water than yours. Project work. To make a Jal Tarang musical instruments, arrange 5 to 7 similar glasses or bowls. Fill them with varying levels of water. Gently tap a spoon on each glass or bowl and hear how each one sounds. Tap at different parts of the glass or bowl to feel the difference. Note to the teacher, discuss the use and importance of water in our life. Also discuss the proper use and no wastage of water. For more videos, you can subscribe and CERT video book. Thank you.